Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove about this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I need to consider about this one. So we have the formula in here. Tan s squared equals to secant of s squared minus number 1. And the second one, we have sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So this one we have cosine s squared. That means I will put this one go to the right. And we have cosine s squared equals to 1 minus sin s squared. So this one we change for this one. This one that is about this one. So negative number 1 and positive number 1 they cancel. Next we have the second formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we need to simplify this one over this one. Now let's go to the second one. So we see that 1 minus sin s divided by 1 minus sin s. We have number 1. Next, we need to multiply by 1 plus sin s on numerator and denominator. So this one we change by this one in here. And we have 1 minus sin s squared and 1 minus sin s squared, that is about cosine s squared. So cosine s divided by cosine s, we simplify. So this one we have 1 over cosine s plus sin s over cosine s. This one we have secant of s. This one we have tan s. So we can see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So we need to disprove about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.